Hello everyone, let me introduce Senergy's equal to hybrid inverter to you. This residential inverter power range covers from 3.6 kW to 12 kW with 200% PV oversizing with 3 MPPTs with up to 9 units in parallel. It is 48-volt battery design, standard offer with built-in Wi-Fi and touch screen, flexible for different customer applications. This inverter equips with full electrical protection and IP66 outdoor rating. Supported by a 5-year warranty, it is an ideal choice of your home ESS. Thank you.
Hello everyone, let's take a look at Senergy low voltage 3-phase hybrid inverter. It covers a power range from 6 kW to 20 kW, ideal for residential and small commercial applications. Max PV input power is 30 kW. 3 MPPT design with 20 amps input column. The battery charge and discharge column is 380 amps. It supports 3-phase unbalanced output with max single-phase 8.5 kW. It is designed with dedicated generator port, optional built-in battery brick and AFC protection ensure high safety. All settings are configurable via touch screen for easy operation. Thank you.
Hello, this 12 to 30 kW 3-phase hybrid system is perfect for residential and commercial use. Its air-cooled and IP66 design handle hot, humid, and dusty environments. It features 3 MPPT. It can deliver 15 kW in grid-tie mode and a maxi 45 kW backup for whole house. Finally, it can work with lead-acid and lithium battery, a wide voltage range of 120 to 800 volts, managed by 2 smart BMS and offering 150 amps in total. Thank you.
This is our next generation 2 to 10.5 kW grid-tied inverter series, one of our most popular solutions for residential installations. It is designed with IP66 protection rating, fanless design, so it works silently, perfect for homes. And it also supports 150% PV overloading, low startup voltage from 40 volts, and each MPPT can handle 20 ampere input current. It also supports multiple connectivity options, 4G, Wi-Fi, LAN, and Bluetooth. Our inverter series also supports zone-level current monitoring and intelligent diagnostics for precise fault detection. Anyway, it is a high-performance inverter and will greatly enhance the operation and maintenance experience for your solar systems.